sorry.
Are you on a work call?
I gotta make time for when I can, perform what they call self-care. A little nipple squeezing action, ass grabbing.
You ever get any milk out of those?
Does an almond cow produce almond milk?
You will not receive notifications.
Ready?
I guess.
Alright. So, do you have a target picked out?
Yes.
I would shoot the far right target.
Far right?
Yeah, that one's clean.
Okay, hold on.
So remember, just take that safety off. And aim like an inch high.
High?
Just aim an inch above. So if you want to put it in that black circle, in the white circle in the center.
Yeah.
Aim for the black line above it. Nice, slow, steady trigger pull. Alright, put a safety on. Let's go check it out.
Your glasses make my eyes a little blurry. Next time I'm definitely bringing my glasses. I hit the target.
You hit the target. It's a little high. Where are we aiming?
I was aiming like right here.
Okay, I was thinking you should aim like
oh,
right here.
I thought you meant like the line above it.
There's the black right here. If you're interested in firearms, I highly recommend getting training, and do not use my videos as a source in place of training. I still need more training myself. So never stop learning and always get good sources for training.
Well, I didn't know that you were coming today. I would have worn my candy panties. There's a hole in the back.
Come say more.
I thought the phone was still on. I just had a fucking heart attack. I thought somebody was on the phone. I'm like, oh no. No, there's a hole in the back of my candy panties.
Oh shit.
You like those candy panties?